So the first question, why we need a smart factory or why we need a cable smart factory? The answer is simple. It's just because the old way of competing in this industry is no longer working. I've been talking to quite a few of my clients or prospects, and they talking about, oh, if I want to have this Industry 4.0 standard cable factory, I want smart cable factories, how we planning to do it, and we share opinions with each others. And the reason when I ask them, there is a few reasons. The first one is the room for the price fighting is temporary and will eventually have the factory itself. For example, for the last few weeks, the copper prices increased, and if you basically using the buying the copper in the new price and deliver to your customer with the old price, when you sign off the deal, then you may probably lose money. And we know a lot of my customer is negotiating with customers, say, oh, we cannot deliver this as the normal price because the price is increased, and that's one of the reasons we don't want to do a price fighting, because it's a temporary survival way and it will eventually harm the factory itself. And second one is customer want better product and service. Of course, they always ask for the cheaper price, but actually it's not something they are looking for. They want better product and they want better service. If you can provide that, then you don't need to, yes, they will still focus on the price, but price is not a big issue at that time. So when you have a smart factories, you can improve your manufacturing, you can improve your efficiency, you can do things different than before, which bring you the enough margin, and which you can use this to your development, to your research. Then you don't need to fight with other competitors just for price, which is not very efficient, is it? And last one is we have a lot of new technologies, as I mentioned before. So all of this bring us to a new dimension of running a cable factories, which is running a cable factory in a new way, and which is having a smart factory up and running and use the new way to running your business. So before we're talking to smart factory or Industry 4.0, there are two things I would like to emphasize and to make sure we're all on the same page. The first one is Industry 4.0 is more than a solution, or we will see it's more than a target. So people working hard to achieve Industry 4.0, but this shouldn't be the ultimate goal, because Industry 4.0 is a tool or like process or way of thinking to the factory. So we use Industry 4.0 as a tool, or smart factory as a tool, to achieve a better performances for the factory. We're not like having this because it's good. So that's the first thing I would like to share with you guys. And the next one is because I believe all the guys join here are the cable experts in their areas. So we know that if we're looking at cable manufacturing, the way we design cable, the way we manufacturing cable, the way we're coating, it's a bit different from other industry. For example, like say cars or semiconductors, it's quite different. And because of that, those successful experience on other areas cannot be directly applied to cable industry, because we have very unique way of manufacturing and design.